Hello, my name is Navneet Vasist, and today I'm representing Nix Therapeutics with our pitch titled Restoring Sleep to Improve Cognition in Brain Disorders. We are working within the black box of psychiatry, where we know that 1 in 8 people are globally diagnosed with one of the psychiatric disorders. These individuals are affected by psychosis, poor sleep, and cognitive decline, which are primary drivers of lifelong disability. However, the current medications manage to only treat psychosis or depression, and they leave sleep impairments and cognitive decline largely unaddressed. So we identified the long-range somatostatin-expressing neuron as a locus of dysfunction, and we propose a precision approach whereby restoring its function can lead to novel treatments in the future. So what exactly is our discovery? In a mouse model of psychiatric disorders, we identified that these long-range somatostatin-expressing neurons were hyperactive, and this hyperactivity correlated with increased wakefulness and disrupted non-REM sleep. On modulating these neurons using a powerful approach called as chemogenetics, we were not just able to normalize their activity, but by doing so, we also normalized the sleep architecture. Furthermore, using single nucleus RNA sequencing, we identified several candidates that could potentially be modulated in these neurons and thereby help to improve their activity. So our long-term goal is to be able to modulate these long-range neurons and by doing this, improve both sleep and cognitive function in a variety of brain disorders, because we know that sleep is a transdiagnostic biomarker which is applicable not just in psychiatric disorders, but also in dementia, Parkinson's, ALS, and many others. So who are we? We are an academic duo with the potential co-founders going to join us soon. And we work at BRIC at KU. We bring together a combined 40 plus years of experience in studying brain development and psychiatric disorders. And at the technical level, we boast of a rich expertise in single nucleus RNA sequencing, mouse and human studies, as well as in vivo physiology and behavior. For the ODIN grant, we're looking for collaborators with expertise in human-induced pluripotent stem cell modeling, especially who are able to derive specific neuronal subtypes, as well as those with experience in high-throughput screening of potential lead compounds. Eventually, we want to target the root neuronal circuit that can restore sleep and thereby improve cognition. And if this is something that interests you, please do get in touch. Thank you.